Hello everyone, welcome back to the class. My name is Bogdan Shavelko, and today we are going to practice with something many of you still struggle with. Okay? We are going to take just two letters and we're going to work on the sounds that they make. Now, these letters are L and R. L and R. Okay? Okay. Now, I hear many of you have problems with when you ask a question or you say something. I still, like, for a second try to recognize, wait, what? What did you say? So, yeah, it's really important to be able to produce these sounds clearly for everyone to understand you. Okay? Okay. Now, just a tiny, tiny practice at the beginning. Okay, now can you all read these two words? Yeah, now this is what I'm talking about. Let's try doing it together. Light, light, right, right, light, right, right, light. Okay, okay, yeah. You see, the more you do it, the better you become. So that's why we need to practice. Okay, okay. Now now we are going to practice and learn how to make these sounds. So, uh, first, for L sounds in the words, our tongue should be touching the top of our mouth. Okay, okay. Now, la, la, la. You try it. Okay, la. Again, the tongue is up there in the mouth. La, right behind your teeth. La, la, la. Okay, yeah, yeah. Now this is good. This is good. Now for the second, for R sound, the tongue shouldn't be touching the top of our mouth. It should stay back and in the middle. Ra, ra, ra. You try it? Okay. This is something between la and ra, and I cannot produce this sound. So let's make it clear. La, ra, la, ra. Yeah, yeah. Now this is what I'm talking about. This is really good. Really good job. Okay, okay. Again, with these two words, can you read one more time? Light. Okay, perfect. Right. One more time. Right. Okay, okay. Right, light. Okay, perfect, perfect. Now, for next, I'm going to give you some uh, words, and I want you to raise your hand if you hear l sound, and put it down if you hear r sound. Okay, l r. Okay, all right. Now, ready? Lock. Okay, okay. Yeah, yeah. Rock. Good job. Good job. Right. Mm-hmm. Light. Perfect. 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 Lead. Uh-huh. Yeah. 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 Read. Yes. Awesome. Awesome. Great job. Great job. Okay. Now, next, something a little bit harder, but should be fun. Should be fun. I've got some phrases for you to repeat after me. First, when you hear l sound, raise your hand. When you hear a r, put it down. Okay? Then we'll try to say it together. Now, first, red lorry, yellow lorry. Too fast, right? Red lorry, yellow lorry. Okay, yeah, that's kind of too many sounds for that, but yeah, you're doing great. Okay, now let's try saying it together. Red lorry, yellow lorry. Perfect, perfect. Okay, good job. This one is easy. Okay, next one. Lucky rabbits like to cause a ruckus. Yeah, this one is kind of more challenging. Let's try it one more time. Lucky rabbits like to cause a ruckus. Okay, yeah, I still can hear some struggles here and there, but it's already way better. Way better. Okay, and one more until we move to the next activity. Now, ready? I rarely like rolling down the hill. Okay, one more time. I rarely like rolling down the hill. Okay. This is good. This is better. This is better. I have some more for you to practice after. So yeah, by the way, these things are called tongue twisters. Tongue twisters. It's a phrase that is hard to say, but it's really useful for practicing. Okay? So yeah, like we do now. Okay, next. Next, we are going to break the class into pairs. Into pairs, as always. Yes, we've got pairs, and I want you to read some words. So one person reads words, the other one listens to it and try to recognize, is it R, is it L, and is it correct or not. So I want you to correct each other, to listen to each other, and to say the words. Okay, now after that we will switch the roles and you will do it in the other way. Okay, now let's say just 2 minutes is enough for now. Okay, let's do some practice. Ready? Let's go. Okay, time's up, time's up. All right, good job, good job. Yeah, I think some of you had some troubles, but it's all good now. Okay, now for the next and last practice, we are going to have a little more fun. Now, you should remain in the same pairs, and I want you to try to come up with your own tongue twister. Yeah, your own tongue twister for each pair. Think of something that has a lot of L and R sounds. It doesn't have to make sense. It can be something silly, like those tongue twisters I gave you before. So try to make it as hard as possible, but still something realistic. And after that, we're going to present, all of you are going to present your tongue twisters to the class, and the hardest one takes the first place. Okay? Sounds fun? Sounds good? Okay, any questions? No questions. Okay, so 5 minutes. Ready? Let's go.